Misplay units usually disappear because the reward hasn't synced yet, the session didn't fully validate, or the game you played no longer qualifies for credit after an update. By the end of this, you'll know how to recover missing units, check if they're just delayed, and fix the tracking issues that cause rewards to vanish from your account. First thing to check is syncing delay. Mistplay doesn't always update units instantly after a gaming session. Sometimes rewards only appear after you fully close the app and reopen it later. Close Mistplay completely. Wait a few minutes, then open it again, and check your rewards tab. This alone often brings missing units back. Next, check your session history. Units only get added if your gameplay session is fully tracked. If the game crashed, disconnected, or wasn't launched from inside Mistplay, the session may not count. Open Mistplay, go to your game history, and see if the session is listed. If it isn't there, the units won't appear because the session never validated. Now look at how you started the game. Mistplay only credits units when you launch games directly from inside the app. If you open the game from your home screen even once, that session can break tracking. The fix is simple going forward. Close the game completely, reopen Mistplay, and always start the game from inside Mistplay. Another issue is app updates. If Mistplay or the game updated recently, older sessions can fail to sync properly. Go to the App Store or Google Play, update both apps, and restart your phone. This resets background services that handle reward tracking. Also check if the game is still eligible. Some games rotate in and out of the Mistplay catalog. If a game loses eligibility after you played it, the units may not appear or may be delayed until the system reprocesses the session. If everything looks correct and units still haven't shown up, it's usually a back-end delay or error. At that point, fully close the app, wait a few hours, and check again. Mistplay sometimes batches reward updates instead of sending them instantly. If nothing changes after that, open Mistplay support inside the app and report the missing session. They can verify whether your gameplay was recorded and manually adjust your account if needed. Most missing unit issues come down to delayed syncing, incomplete sessions, or launching games outside the app. Always start games from inside Mistplay, check your session history, and give the app time to sync after gameplay. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for Mistplay and other reward apps.